Hi, everyone. Before you do a couple reviews and take a quiz on vertebrates and invertebrates, I wanted to spend a little bit more time going from one we're probably not as familiar with, okay? And that is our invertebrates, okay? They, again, remember, are animals that do not have a backbone. And believe it or not, most animals on this earth are actually invertebrates. In fact, there's more than 1 million different kinds of invertebrates. Scientists group them ways they look. But no matter how they're grouped, remember, none of them have a backbone. So we have a group, our lovely insects, and this is the largest group. In fact, there's more kinds of insects than any other invertebrate. Okay, insects live everywhere on Earth, even our Arctic regions in the summertime. They have 3 body parts and 6 legs, a hard outer covering, and many have wings. Okay, some pictures of our beautiful insects. So they are the largest invertebrate group, and invertebrates are the most common form of animal that exist. Okay, they are the largest group, a lot bigger than vertebrates, but our biggest invertebrate group are insects. Okay, another type of invertebrates, spiders and ticks. They look like insects, but they are not. They have different traits. They only have 2 body parts and they have 8 legs. Like insects, they have an outer body covering that protects them. So they kind of fit in this category together. Another group of invertebrates are snails, clams, and squid. They all have soft bodies. Many of them also have a head and a kind of foot that poke out of its shell to help it move. Many of them also have tentacles and a hard shell to protect their bodies. So they fit in this group as of invertebrates. So here's a picture of a sea slug. It has no shell. Then we've got clams. This is a squid, a land snail. Just some more pictures here of some snails, clams, and squid. Starfish are also an invertebrate. Crabs are invertebrate. Are jellyfish, sea anemones. See, there's more invertebrates than you think. They, again, are the most common. There are a lot more animals that are invertebrates than are lovely vertebrates. We also have a group of invertebrates called annelids. These are segmented worms. There's actually over 22,000 different species. Okay, they include earthworms, or leeches, and sandworms. They are found worldwide in the sea, and they can be found in freshwater lakes and ponds, brackish water, and soil. More pictures here of our annelids. So our annelids, too, are lovely earthworms. I know we've all seen an earthworm. Their bodies are made up of those ring-like segments that you can actually physically see the segments. Earthworms are very important or vital to our soil because they move those nutrients and mineral through the dirt, helping to naturally fertilize our soil. They do not have eyes, but they are light sensitive. They do not have lungs, and instead, they breathe through their skin. So we've got our invertebrates, okay, meaning without a backbone. We've got a group insects. Those are the most popular type of invertebrates. Okay, then we've got our spiders and ticks. Okay, then we have our snails, clams, and squid. Then those annelids. I think annelids means segmented. And I automatically think of earthworms, but we also have leeches. They fit in that annelid category. So that is our lovely invertebrate. And then if we review briefly, vertebrates, okay? You should know you are a vertebrate. Some say I always say vertebrate, but you could say vertebrae, kind of like you say Caribbean, I say Caribbean. So I've heard it pronounced both ways, vertebrate or vertebrae, okay? It is believed that vertebrates started forming roughly 530 million years ago with a